This is going like the second I get home. Well guys, welcome back. Alright, so your boy kind of jumped the gun a little bit. I kind of got a little excited. I picked up another MT09, obviously. I got a little excited and I had parts showing up before I even took delivery of the bike. As you can tell, we already got SC Project exhaust on there. Just ripped off the fender, we're doing a fender delete. Right now, currently the bike is not rideable because the ECU is gone. It's with David at V-Cycle Nut right now. I think it just shipped back today, so we should have it later this week. But the excitement kind of got to me, and I kind of just started doing stuff to this bike, and then I remembered like, oh shit, like I have a YouTube channel based around this bike. Why am I not filming this stuff? So like the timeline of the videos are gonna be a little wacky. I mean, but it's okay. We're all here now. We got the bike. I love her. I miss this bike so much. If you guys are new to this channel, then you should know I had pretty much this identical MT09. Just in a different colorway, and it was a 2021 instead of a 23. Did a whole lot of stuff to it. It's on the channel. I ended up selling it and regretted it every single day of my life, and I am just ecstatic to have one back again, because honestly these are like one of my favorite bikes, and I regret ever selling the last one. It was a huge mistake, but it's okay. We're all here now. We're happy. I got her back. Currently, as you guys just saw, we ripped the rear fender off because this is just a no-go. Like we don't use these here. This is like the retirement plan special right here. Picked up a bunch of stuff from TST. As you guys know, TST is the go-to for everything like this. We got flush mounts for the front, integrated rear brake light, and a closeout panel for the rear. When I first had my original MT09, the integrated brake light wasn't even an option yet. It was still kind of in testing. So I'm kind of stoked that I finally get to run an integrated light on this. And this rear closeout panel is gonna replace this entire piece right here. So I don't have to put that little block off plate. We'll just have a complete panel to replace that. It's gonna look super clean. Oh, dude. All right. Oh, shoot. Got everything plugged in. I just gotta like rearrange the wires, get everything looking good in there. And I am just now realizing I can't even start the freaking bike to check the lights because the ECU is not in there. Now I'm sorry again guys, I'm not doing like how to install videos, like in-depth stuff anymore, just because, I mean, first of all, I mean, one, I don't enjoy it, and two, TST already has like insanely in-depth videos on how to do this kind of stuff. So me showing like everything that I'm doing would be kind of a waste of my time and a waste of your time too, because they already have such good videos out on this stuff. Hello. Come on, man, turn on. Yo, thank you. Now, I know in a previous video I said I was kind of done with the whole like fast riding for a while, which is why I picked up this Grom, which, I mean, I love the Grom. It is so much fun. I enjoy it every time I ride this thing, but I got it in the mindset of I thought it would kind of fulfill like that, you know, like that throttle therapy that I need. But if anything, it made it worse, and it made me want power even more, which came down to picking up another MT09. Now, there was a few other bikes in mind when I was looking for another big bike. I was looking at like R7, some Indian Scout bobbers, just all types of bikes, but I couldn't help the fact that these MT09s are my baby, man. Now, with all that being said, yes, I'm still going to be taking it easy. I don't need to be going as fast as I used to be going. I've had like my fair share of time in that riding style, and you know, dudes don't last that long in that kind of lane. And I mean, like, we picked up a nicer helmet, which this Shark helmet is absolutely insane. I'll make a video on it later on. But I've been like riding with my boots more and all that, and taking it slower, not pushing myself as hard, because before I would just get on the bike, super limited gear, and just go as fast as I could in the canyon. Being a little more mature about it, and I don't know guys, I'm so happy to have this bike back. Now obviously we're still gonna go fast. I mean, it's a fast bike, but I'm going to go about it in a better way, if that makes sense. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I want to get all this wiring buttoned up, and I still gotta do the flush mounts on the front. So I'm gonna get going on that. And I never really plugged this, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, you will see stuff like new bikes and parts and stuff way before YouTube does, because YouTube gets super delayed in terms of like timeline and all that. But I appreciate the support so much, you guys. I 100% would not have 2 bikes in my garage right now if it weren't for the support from YouTube and all that. This is like a dream, like really slowly coming true, and I couldn't be happier, so thank you. But I'm gonna end it here. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.